Why does lightning trip your ELCB RCD? Introduction: the sudden blackout mystery. Ever noticed your power suddenly cutting out during a thunderstorm? It's not always a direct lightning strike. Your ELCB, Earth Leakage Circuit Breaker, or RCD, Residual Current Device, may have tripped. But why? Understanding the ELCB RCD. An ELCB or RCD is a safety device that disconnects power when it detects current leakage to the earth, preventing electric shocks and fire hazards. It constantly monitors live and neutral wires for imbalance. The role of lightning. Lightning releases millions of volts in microseconds, creating massive electromagnetic fields that can induce currents in nearby electrical circuits, even without a direct strike. Transient voltage surges. These sudden spikes are known as transient voltages. They can travel through power lines, telephone cables, or even the ground, reaching your home's electrical system. Leakage current illusion. When lightning-induced surges flow through your home's earthing system, the ELCB RCD senses a momentary imbalance between live and neutral currents. To it, this looks like a dangerous leakage. Instant reaction. In milliseconds, your RCD trips to isolate the circuit. This automatic shutdown is a protective action, not a malfunction. Indirect strikes count too. Even a lightning strike kilometers away can generate electromagnetic pulses, EMPs, strong enough to trigger your device through induced voltages. Why it's actually a good thing? A tripping RCD during lightning proves it's doing its job, shielding you and your appliances from potentially lethal surges. How to protect better? Install surge protection devices, SPDs, alongside your RCDs to safely divert lightning surges without unnecessary tripping. Final thought. When thunder roars and lights flicker, remember, your RCD isn't overreacting. It's your home's silent guardian, keeping you safe from nature's electric fury.